Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable private space on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to enable your private space on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You have simple trick. You just have to scroll down in control panel and you'll get an profile logo here. Just tap on it and you'll get this type interface. You just have to, this is your profile, and you can easily add any other user which is guest or a person. If you want to select, just select guest and it will create a new account here, and after that it will take a time to for this process, and after that your new or private space on your phone will be enabled. You can easily use two phones in one hardware. So that's how you can easily enable private space on your Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.